Hello, this is Alex from the Worcester Public Library, back for another one of my weekly videos on tips and tricks for using the library's digital resources. Now, I haven't done an Ancestry Library Edition video for a while, so I decided that I would do another one because they have a new feature which some of you might be interested in, and that is they now offer a limited number of Worcester yearbooks that are available through Ancestry Library Edition. Now, if you're interested in checking that out, you can go under Resources on our homepage, mywpl.org, and then go down to Online Databases. And then what you can do is go ahead and click on Ancestry Library Edition, and that's going to take you to the page where you can go and enter in your library card number and your password. Now, once you're logged into Ancestry Library Edition, you can scroll down under quick links. You'll see schools, directories, and church histories right here. And we'll click on that. And then what you can do is click on school lists and yearbooks under narrow by category. And then you'll see under featured data collections, U.S. school yearbooks 1900 to 1999. So a little bit tricky to get there, but you can get there. And then what you'll do, you'll see Browse this collection. You'll see a drop-down menu, so you'll select Massachusetts, and then you'll scroll down and you'll select Worcester, and then you'll select the school that you're looking for the yearbook, and you'll see the selection that they have. Now, they do have a limited selection. They have actually somewhat of a more limited selection than we do at the library, but they do have a couple that we don't have. So you can scroll and you can take a look and you can see which ones they have. And if you're interested in, say, 1930, you can click on that. And that will open up the scan, and you can scroll through and see all the information from the yearbook for that particular year. Now, as I said, they don't have all the Worcester yearbooks and all the Worcester years. So if you're interested in one that Ancestry does not have, we have a really good collection here at the library. Again, if you go to our website, mywpl.org, and then go under Resources to Local History and Genealogy, and then click on Worcester Yearbooks, you will see all of the yearbooks that we have. Now, as you know, we are not currently open for browsing, but if you would like us to search through a yearbook and send you a scan of somebody who you might be related to, we are more than happy to do that. So again, if you go under our library page under Ask a Librarian and then click on Email Reference Service, you can fill out the form, let us know which years you want us to look through and the name of the person that you are looking for, and if we find information about them, we will scan that and send that off to you. So again, this was Alex with the Worcester Public Library. I hope you check out Ancestry and their yearbook collection. And I hope that if you don't find what you're looking for there, you take a look at the yearbooks that we have and contact us, and we will see if we can help you out. Anyway, see you next week for another video from me. Thanks for watching.